All right, so today I got some goodies for the E36, all the way from Thailand, from Rendition. All right, so the parts that I got is going to be the cubby, the cup holder, the extended piece for the cup holder, because I like to get some nice Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks coffees. I think it'll fit perfectly. And then this is the cover for the sunroof panel. Of course, it breaks like everyone else's, so I got that. So I'm going to install that right now. To take out your cigarette lighter, you're just going to pull from this side up, and then you're going to remove these two Phillips head screws, and that'll take out this whole surround piece for your nasty cigarette lighter. So this, just use the back half of that screw, put that in. This piece just slides in right behind it, and then the cup or whatever you're going to use in here extender simply slides right there. So now you can put a little bit of a bigger cup in there. The next step would be to put my coffee or whatever it is in there and enjoy my E36. Next, I'm going to install the cover. All right, so this top panel is in, and I was fighting with it for a while because I just did not want to remove this, which it's easy to remove. It's a clip here in the middle of this, and a clip here on this side right here. Push those in, this comes down, this will slide in here, and then this you could put in right after, and everything will line up. My sunroof works. I'm actually the first time using it since I bought the car, and I'm happy that it does work perfectly. So there we go, Rendition right here. Cover for the sunroof button, which is very common to break. Like this, all these clips, they all break, and it's pretty much useless. So you can throw that out. Rendition cup holder with the extender piece, with the little cubby for your phone. I'll include links in the bio, but I like it. It's very fitting, and it cleans up everything that might be broken or missing in your E36. So I just went on the real world test. Venti Starbucks, perfect. Shifting, turning, everything. It didn't move at all. So shout out to Rendition. You guys make an awesome product.